Hi friends, I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to letter December in 5 different ways. And today I'm going to be using the Le Pen pen, a collaboration with one of my Instagram friends, Letters and Lattes. I really love this because of the color scheme, and some of the pens are monoline and the other ones are brush pen with a small tip. The first way that we're going to be lettering December is with Vial Calligraphy, so for this part you can use any pen. And so I do have another video where I explain what Vial Calligraphy is, and I also go through every letter of the alphabet, lowercase, and then another one for uppercase. I will put the link to those in the description down below as well. And if you want to keep practicing, I also have a complete workbook with in-depth practice worksheets, more exercises, and step-by-step tutorials. So this is the first way that we're going to be lettering December. Now you can leave it like this, or you can color it inside. I'm going to leave it like that for now. For the second way to letter December in calligraphy, I'm going to be using this Le Pen Flex Burgundy. Remember, with calligraphy, upstrokes, you don't apply pressure, and then downstrokes, you apply a lot of pressure. I was missing the connection right there, so I went ahead and did it. So now the third way that we're doing December in calligraphy is with a bounce calligraphy style. It's very similar to that one, but you can see here some of the letters come lower than the baseline. And so for this one, let's use this. And this one is the ochre. The fourth way that we're doing calligraphy is with a flourished calligraphy style. I'm gonna use this peppermint. And last but not least, the fifth way to letter December calligraphy is with a block lettering style. And for this one, I'm going to be using this dusty pink. Alright, so these are the 5 ways to letter December in calligraphy. Let me know in the comments which one did you like.